A Tanzanian official said that China's Juncao technology is important for her country's agriculture at an international symposium on Juncao industry development in East China's Fuzhou city. Juncao, which literally means mushroom and grass, can be used to grow edible mushrooms as livestock feed or as a green barrier to stop desertification.
Juncao technology has been of very great importance to our country because it has helped us to improve our livestock feeding. We have a problem of animal feeds, especially during the drought season. But since we have started using Juncao technology, we have improved a lot of our animal feeds, and a lot of farmers have planted Juncao currently, and they are using the Juncao grass to feed animals. Now the technology is growing in our country in a very high speed. We are looking forward to have a very linked cooperation between China and the United Republic of Tanzania. We are expecting this year to get the China aid to assist us in making sure we multiply this Juncao plant and distribute it to farmers.
Representatives from more than 20 countries are attending the 3-day symposium, kicked off on Saturday, which aims to facilitate international exchanges and cooperation in Juncao technology. Discovered by Chinese scientists, Juncao is famed as magic grass, as it is particularly suitable for developing countries to improve their agriculture and reduce poverty. It has been introduced to over 100 countries, creating hundreds of thousands of job opportunities and helping to alleviate poverty.